Was there a wreck up here or something?
Yeah, Amazon trucks are jackknifed into the median.
Yeah, he just passed me back there not too long ago.
Westbound, come to a stop. Well, he ain't gonna be passing anybody anymore today.
Tell you what, man, them Amazon, they tear up some trailers, man. I don't see how they keep any.
Westbound, mile marker 6. Coming to a stop, the 39. Coming to a stop.
To go. He's completely blocking that lane.
Ain't nobody running no radio over there.
What is the hold up there?
He got Amazon jackknife in the median. He blocking at least that left lane up there. Somebody said it just happened.
So you reckon everyone needs to be in the right lane?
Yeah, that's 10.
Westbound, you gotta stop.
So guys, real quick, we just rolled up on an Amazon. He literally just jackknifed. That's what I'm saying, man. These, you see, you get this slick out here, and I don't know what the issue is. Amazon's notorious for having wrecks in these bad weather, man. He's just happened. No emergency equipment out here or anything. So we actually had a blind curve back there. You come around the curve and everybody's coming to a stop. Luckily, they were talking about it on the radio that it had just happened, but it's still, I'm in Pennsylvania, it's still snowing up here. That's what I'm saying. You gotta be prepared out here. And the video I just uploaded this morning, I'm saying slow down. There's everybody in a rush for. So that's what we got going on. That's what we into right now. So just a heads up. That's why I'm stressing. Keep your radio on. And when you will know about it. This guy literally just passed me 5 or 10 minutes before this. Probably not even 10. He just passed me. He passed me back there right before we crossed into Pennsylvania, 90 westbound out of New York. This guy just passed me. Now he in the ditch. Look at him. He just passed me back there not long ago. The jackknifes and the rollovers and the rear, man, they are like death to your trucking career, man. It's not worth it. I promise you. It's not worth it. You'll see. There ain't even no emergency equipment out here yet. Guys gotta slow down. I just made the video begging you guys to slow down. It ain't worth it. That load late, truck messed up, jackknife on your record. It ain't worth it, man. I mean, look at him. Now, luckily, he didn't turn it over. They'll be able to pull him back out, you know, pull him back in the road, but I don't know how long. I keep saying I've been out here 14 years. I know there's people out here with 20, 30 years. I got enough experience to tell you, look at that. It's not worth it. That guy just passed me. Now look at him. I'm passing him. It's not worth it. It's still coming down. And this stretch of 90 in Pennsylvania, man, this notorious. They don't do nothing to the roads up here, man. Not this little 48, 49 mile stretch they got, I don't know what it is. They don't do nothing to the roads. Just that quick a jackknife, guys. I can't make this stuff up, man. I can't make it up. You seen it firsthand. Just rode up on, like I said, that guy just passed me a couple miles back. I come down, I'm easing along. We coming to a stop. It's him in the ditch. Just like that. Your life could be over out here, man. I'm gonna be for real. You could take somebody else's life out here. It's not worth it. I don't know how many times I gotta say it. I'm gonna keep saying it. It's not worth it. What I always say at the end of the video: arrive to your pickup and your delivery on time, safely. Call your loved ones, tell them you love them. Love on somebody today, but most importantly, be the reason somebody smile today. The world needs it now more than ever. This Trucking with Sir Mel. Please slow down and be careful. I'm out.